What if sun replaced the moon?
Huh?
Don't worry, AumSum the Great will get the moon back.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun replaced the moon, our nights will turn extremely bright. People who love to sleep may leave for a different planet. Secondly, if sun replaced the moon, snow-covered regions may suddenly turn into extremely hot deserts. Thirdly, if sun replaced the moon, tides in our oceans will be much, much bigger. Surfers will be one happy lot. Fourthly, if sun replaced the moon, astronauts who are just about to land on the moon may have to make a run for it. Fifthly, Earth is used to the moon revolving around it. If sun replaced the moon, Earth may have to change some of its habits. Lastly, if sun replaced the moon, moons from all over the solar system may start protesting in front of the sun.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if we lived on the sun?
Sure, I have already bought a flat there.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we lived on the sun, there is no night on the sun. Sleeping with so much light will be very difficult. Secondly, if we lived on the sun is extremely hot. It will be impossible to get out of the heat protection suits. Thirdly, if we lived on the sun, nuclear energy is abundantly available on the sun. No more electricity bills. Fourthly, if we lived on the sun is huge as compared to planet Earth. There will be plenty of space available for everyone. Fifthly, if we lived on the sun, there is no water on the sun. We may have to make frequent water collection trips to planet Earth. Lastly, if we lived on the sun, people who love playing in the snow will be extremely sad. What if sun stopped burning?
No problem. AumSum will provide light to all.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun stopped burning, it will not be visible anymore. Time to say goodbye to those beautiful sunrises. Secondly, if sun stopped burning, we may need to carry torchlights even during daytime. Thirdly, if sun stopped burning, humans along with animals may need to shift to a different solar system. Fourthly, moon gets its light from the sun. If sun stopped burning, moon may not stop crying. Fifthly, if sun stopped burning, planets of the solar system may try very hard to light up the sun again. Lastly, if sun stopped burning, people may not know when to sleep or wake up. Everybody will be confused.